Please join me in welcoming Tim Tebow to the main stage.
I gotta just tell you, it is such an honor to be here because I know that so many of you are coming from so many different places and that you're all coming to SEMA to learn, to grow, to connect, to build friendships, relationships, something that could move the needle forward for you and your life.
It's a lot of variety, right? You have everything. So it's very overwhelming, but also it's a great way to see cars, but also network with a lot of other businesses and manufacturers as well.
I'm not normally surrounded by this many car enthusiasts on a daily basis, so just being able to be surrounded by people who just have a similar passion for mine it's always a good thing.
It's about the connections and the people that we talk to and how we're going to grow together.
SEMA is mad.
Vibrant, bright, exciting.
I know, I was just gonna say awesome.
Yeah, it's sick, dude.